everybody, welcome. In this session we'll be working towards happy hips. I'll show you a quick little hip flow stretch. You can modify however way you like. It's a really good option for traveling if you're going to travel or be sitting or standing all day. I'm going to be using a blanket for underneath the knee. Starting in a downward facing dog, plant the palms, send the feet down, settle in. And then lift the right leg up towards the ceiling, bend the knee on the exhale, roll out the ankle, spread the toes, and draw a circle with your knee. It's getting some mobility into our hip joint before we stretch. Switch directions of the circles. You can bend, extend the knee. And then swing the right foot between the palms. Get into a low lunge. Lower the back knee, untuck the toes, fix the blanket if you're using one. And this is it. Stretch the hips, sink the hips forward and down. You can stay down or you can lift your elbows onto your thigh. If you want a little more, you can bend the back knee, reach back for your foot. Okay, just different options. As long as you feel the stretch in the front part of your left hip, then you're good. Stay with the breath. And then gently release the foot, half splits, lengthen your right leg, flex your foot, your toes towards your face. Inhale halfway left, exhale fold over the leg. You can keep it dynamic, inhale lengthen, exhale fold. Again in, exhale fold, or you can just pause, hold, but still breathing. Just make it your own. As you exhale, relax the back of your right leg. And then rebend your right leg. Step your right foot back, downward facing dog. Stretch out your legs. Okay, then we do the other side. Lift the left leg up towards the ceiling. Bend the knee, scorpion dog. Again, roll out ankle. Draw a circle with the knee. Whatever you do one way, do the other way as well. Staying with the breath as always. Bend, extend the knee. And then swing left leg between the palms. Low lunge. Lower the back knee, untuck toes. Sink the hips forward. And stay down or lift your forearms onto your thigh. If you want a little more, bend your right leg, reach back for your foot. Okay, there's just different layers rather than levels. Not one is better than the other. It just depends where you are in your practice, in your body. And then gently release your leg if you had it. Half splits. Lengthen your left leg. Flex your toes towards your face. Inhale halfway left. Exhale, fold forward. Again, you can keep it dynamic or you can stay forward. Fully exhaling. As you exhale, relax the back of your left leg. This whole flow is really good for practicing splits if you're working on your splits. But again, it's just really good in general to stretch the hips, the legs. It's all connected. It will eventually help and aid with a happy back. Okay, then rebend the left knee, step the left leg back, downward facing dog, stretch out the legs, feel it out, feel the space you have now in your hips. Whee! And that's it. Very quick, simple flow, and your hips will thank you. Thank you for taking this time to watch this video, and if you tried it, I'd love to hear how it felt for you in your body. And I'll see you next time. Take care.